Over the past few months, there has been a lot of speculation and conflicting information regarding the storage and/or RAM specifications of the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro. McRumors has now provided some clarity on these details based on their findings. Storage options. Apple has tested several storage configurations for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, including 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. These storage options will align with the storage tiers of the iPhone 14 Pro, and there is no evidence to support the rumored 2 TB configuration. Apple is sourcing NAND storage from different vendors, including SK Hynix, Western Digital, Kioxia, and Samsung. The iPhone 15 Pro is expected to use LPDDR5 RAM, similar to the previous year's flagship devices. 2 RAM configurations were tested, 6 GB and 8 GB, with RAM supplied by Samsung, Micron, and SK Hynix. It remains uncertain which RAM configuration Apple will use in the final production units. One possibility is that the RAM capacity might vary depending on the storage capacity of the phone, with higher capacity models getting 8 GB of RAM. A recent report suggests that Apple may indeed opt for 8 GB of RAM for the iPhone 15 Pro, potentially scrapping the 6 GB option. A 17 SoC. The iPhone 15 Pro will feature an upgraded A17 system-on-chip (SoC), manufactured using TSMC's new 3nm process. This SoC is expected to include an additional GPU core, improving graphics performance. The performance cores will also see an increase in clock speed, from 3.46 GHz in the A16 to 3.70 GHz in the A17. Other improvements. In addition to the aforementioned changes, the iPhone 15 Pro is expected to come with an all-new titanium frame, USB-C support, and a periscope zoom lens on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. These details provide a clearer picture of what to expect from the iPhone 15 Pro in terms of storage, RAM, and other hardware enhancements. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.